Sabella, how do you feel? How do you feel, Sabella? Huh? Sabella, let me see in there. Huh?
You gotta send me that video.
Sabella, say cheese. Ew. Do you feel your lip? Where's your lip at? Huh? Sabella. I have to get you a spoon.
Yeah, okay.
Sabella. What's the matter with your tongue? What's the matter with your tongue?
Don't.
What's the matter with your tongue, Sabella?
You got some big lips.
They said her jaws might bruise.
Well,
They had to go into the bone.
you want some
I
steak?
hear your stomach.
You want some steak?